Let's begin with centering. Keep your spine straight, roll the shoulders back, rest your palms on your thighs, eyes closed, shoulders relaxed. Take some time till your body, your mind, and your breath become stable. Become aware of your breath. Feel the movement of your breath. As you feel your breath, take 3 deep breaths. End of 3 breaths. Awareness to your eyebrow center. Keeping your focus at your eyebrow center, join your palms in Namaskara and let us chant 3 Oms. Inhale. 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 Bring your chin to your chest. Open your palms. Blink open your eyes. Release your arms.